All right, so let's look at the steering wheel. It's not supposed to do that. That is a result of this outer sleeve loose around this inner sleeve. This is the new part, and it is very fixed in there. So this is what we'll be replacing today. Steering column. So let's get to it. Oh, I should probably disconnect the battery. Let's do that. Hey, looky there. It's crazy what happens when you follow directions. All right, so steering wheel's out. Just got these trim pieces. Hopefully when I get this bottom trim piece off, I'll be able to see how this comes out a little easier. It's probably just a clip, but there's just a lot of resistance. So I just wanna get a good look behind this and see, make sure I'm not about to mess anything up. It is just a clip. Oh, whoa, yeah, definitely an airbag. Guys, this looks intimidating. I do not want that pointing toward me. Okay, boom. The first one, these are you can only use these once. So, went and got these at Audi the other day, cost me $4. Look, if the manufacturer says they're single use, don't use them more than once, especially for something like safety related, like a steering column. Just spend the money. Okay, steering column electronics removal. Where is that? Oh, cheesy crazy. This looks intimidating. Look at that thing. It's the knee airbag igniter. Jeezy crazy. Ugh. Oh, okay, now that that's out of my way though, I can stress a little bit less. That was kind of freaking me out, not gonna lie. This electronics stuff that needs to come off. And this thing is in the way of a screw. How does that come off? It's interesting, this one slides in and out freely, the old one, and the new one does not. Oh, yeah it does. Or I didn't push it in hard enough. Whoops, I'm not holding it the way I'm supposed to. Yeah, so, yeah, this is much, much stiffer. Okay, well, let's, I'm gonna compare these two just to make sure they are exactly the same. Okay, so the new one, you just have that right there. And on the old one, you had these teeth with this on the inside of the lever. It's like right there. But I can't tell what this does. Like, this just rolls along that, and it's not connected to anything that I can tell. But I don't want to spend an hour putting this back together and then realize, oh, this really is important. So here we are, gonna swap it over. Yeah. Looks kind of weird in there. I am so sorry. I just slid this in and I wasn't recording. So that sucks. You missed the money shot, but I haven't put any of the bolts in. So you still get to see that. Just getting these pretty snug. They weren't too hard to get off. So I'm just gonna get them nice and tight. Now I guess, there's also this track, this black piece right here, that the electronics rail slides onto. I need to figure out if I can get that off. Okay, looks like there's 2 gaps for a screwdriver here. Boom. I don't know why people say German cars are so hard to work on. Knock on wood. Mechanics are gonna come for me in the comments. No homo. No, I can put this on. Oh yeah, that slides up like that. What is 20 Newton meters? That's in inch pounds. Wow, that is actually pretty tight. Okay, there we go. Plug in the electronics. Okay. I put that in. Perfect. All right, let's clean up the wheel well here. Get all of our tools out. Now that feels much nicer. There's no wiggle. Feels much better. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace.